Hey guys, it's Ashley. I'm here with something different. So if you are like me, you're on Instagram, you're scrolling YouTube, whatever, Facebook, and you've probably seen ads for something called the Uproot cleaner. Okay, so this is a little, look, it's got lint on it already. It's a little lint brush, right? And these videos, this is a real review. I'm gonna tell you guys the ins and outs of it. It's like this crazy wire lint brush, okay? You see that? And then the videos, it's very, very satisfying. They run it over their carpet and they get all this fur up. Now I saw it like once, I was like, oh, that's cool, probably doesn't work. Two, I saw it 3, 4. I'm like, all right, I want to buy one and try it. I don't care if it doesn't work. I found mine on Amazon, which I'll link down below with my affiliate link. And, ooh, I'm getting stuck on my comforter with it. And it was $20, which isn't bad. They do have I think a larger one and then a very small one, like for your coats and things. It comes in this, I'll insert some images as well as some actual demo videos. I made a couple. And I was like, oh, it looks really cute. Mine came a little crooked, you can see, which I don't really love, but whatever, not a big deal. Anyway, my first try, so in the videos, if you've seen them, it's a very, very like, it's just like all this hair, right? Like, oh my gosh, if you have pets, like you're like, wow, I didn't know all this hair was in here. If you're using it on a place that you vacuum regularly, you're not going to have that kind of a result, in my opinion. I'll show you a video of like my living room that I vacuum like daily. I have 4 kids, so I have to vacuum sometimes twice a day. The results that you have aren't quite as dramatic. But then I did my bedroom, which I'll be honest, full disclosure, doesn't get vacuumed as much. It's kind of messy. It's my bedroom. There's no food in my bedroom. It's like paper and like stuff for my cats, you know. There I had dramatic results. And so, yes, it's great. But if you vacuum, it's going to give you the same thing. I mean, in my opinion. Now, what I would say is for areas that are hard to reach, areas that you don't necessarily want to get your vacuum out, stairs, it's super nice, because like who wants to lift the vacuum all the time if you can do it with one of these guys and also get that satisfying feeling. It takes about as long as a vacuum. I mean, when you factor in the getting it out and cleaning it up and lifting it around and taking off the thing, and so I do like it for that. I think it's a great tool for that. I just wanted to make a video because I'm like, oh, people are going to think these. So this is what I just got off my comforter. Hey, that's kind of cool. I should probably show you guys. I didn't realize that was like a thing. Oh, it's like the comforter is shedding. Weird. It's a quilt. My mother-in-law made it. But, I just like, I'm like, oh, people should know that it's not going to be as dramatic as you see like on those videos. Those are like the best of the best, like the dirty, not dirty, but hair. And you'll see the video that I insert. You'll know the one that is the area that's less vacuumed, and you'll see the one that is vacuumed much more. But anyway, yes, I just wanted to share this video with you guys, kind of see what you guys thought if you had seen the Uproot cleaner videos that are out there. They seem to be all over. And it is a really cool product. I do love the idea of it. The price is not bad at all. It is portable. You can take it with you. You can clean your car and things like that. So it is really good. It's just, don't expect those dramatic results unless you're not going to vacuum for a while and then go over it. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful 2022. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. It hurt.